Hello everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Let's dive into the colorful season of Holi with these beautiful cookies. Let's sprinkle some colorful spirit onto our platter and create some magic in my kitchen. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! I'll start by taking a large bowl and I'll add in butter, muscovado sugar and castor sugar. And I'll cream it together. Next I'll add in vanilla. Now I'll add in our dry ingredients, flour, baking powder and baking soda. And now I'll beat it using dough hooks. Now that our dough has achieved a breadcrumb-like texture, we'll add in milk, 1 tablespoon at a time. Now we'll take our dough out of our bowl and we'll first divide it into 2 parts. And now we'll divide this into 5 parts. And I'll color them using gel colors. Now I'll place all the dough in the fridge for 35 to 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes. Let's take out our dough. And now we'll roll it between parchment papers. Now I'll take a flower-shaped cookie cutter and I'll cut them into flowers. Now I'll take the rest of the dough out onto a parchment paper and we'll roll it. Now I'll carefully remove circles in the centers of my flowers. Now we'll place our flowers on our sheet of dough. Now we'll roll it out a little more. I'll be using a back of a baking tray to flatten it. Now I'll cut out our cookies. And I'll transfer them to a baking tray. Now I'll pop our cookies into the oven at 170 degrees for 10 minutes. Hear that? It's done. Ta-da! Let's give it a try. These cookies will brighten up your Holi this season. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Happy Holi.